Open the hood.
What do you mean open? We're gonna crush his face. It'll snap him in half.
This is so not cool right now. First of all, doing it for the story. Second of all, this definitely removes at least 1 point, 1 strike against me.
1 strike. Dude, what if you wake him up? What if he's just resting? How dead is he?
Yo, open the hood.
Dude, if we open the hood, it's just gonna snap him in half.
It's stuck in there, bro.
It's his own fault.
The worst thing that's ever happened to Mike is happening right now. He hit a bird, and it died in the front of his car.
Probably died.
This is some bad shit. See if it like starts to get squished.
Not getting squished. You freed it.
It's terrible.
Oh no!
Its head is stuck.
Oh, give him the drop. Oh!
That's terrible.
Dude, this is the worst thing ever. Oh, it made a sound.
Dude, I just picked it up. You have no balls.
Dude, you did it. Good job, James.
Down to 1 strike, bro.
1 strike. That was disgusting.
You need to take a shower.